Seismic analysis of building, based on time history method. In this video, you'll learn to perform structural analysis on your building model, based on time history method. After defining the time history function, the next step is to perform the structural analysis on your building model. As we are performing seismic analysis, there is no need to run the analysis for the dead and live load cases. So we are going to perform the analysis for seismic and time history load cases only. Now go to Analyze menu, and select Load Cases to Run option. In this window, we are going to change the properties of load cases. Change the dead and live load case action as Do Not Run, as you did earlier. If the action properties are already set as Do Not Run, ignore this step. Click on Run Now option to perform the analysis on your building model. Wait for some time, as the software runs analysis on your building model. Once the analysis is done, the analysis results will be displayed as shown. By default, the displacement values based on seismic load case are shown in the 3D tab. Now we will check the time history plot details. Go to Display menu, and select the Plot Functions option. Here we can see the response due to the seismic waves on the building model based on the time history data, with the help of graph. At the bottom, we can see the time required to get the maximum and minimum base reaction values. After verifying, you can close the window. Now we will use the Combined Story Response option to display the maximum/minimum story displacement, drift, shear and overturning moments. Go to Display menu, and select Combined Story Response Plots option. A new window will appear as shown. Check whether Time History option is selected in the Load Case options. We can see the various effects of seismic building model with the help of graphs. Each graph represents the variation in effects for different stories. As per IS 1893 code, the maximum story drift value shall not exceed 0.004 times the story height. In your case, the permissible story drift value is 0.004 multiplied by 4 meters, that is 0.016. The maximum drift value we got is 0.0002. So, the maximum story drift is within the permissible limit. You can also use the Animate option in the window to see the effects on building model for different time periods. Select the Animate option as shown. Now we can see the changes in effects on our building model with respect to the time history data that we have defined earlier. After verifying, you can close the window. Now we will check the values of our building model for different load cases. Go to Display menu, and select Show Tables option. Drop down the Analysis option, under that again drop down Results. In the Results option, choose Base Reactions, and click OK. The window will display the maximum base reaction values for different load cases that you have defined. Click on the Start Animation option in the right bottom corner to see the effect of different load cases on your building model. Click on Stop Animation to end the animation process. You can use the Display menu to check all the available analysis results like shear force, moment, and slab stresses, as you done earlier. This completes the analysis of a building model using time history method. Save your building model for future reference. Thanks for watching.